Always eating good, SK Red Bean, man. Got a drunken mukbang? Or am I? I mean, I don't know. You tell me. But yeah, I got some gas station corn dogs, so I might be a little tipsy, you guys. I might be though. But yeah, yeah, man, it's been a long time, man. Almost a year. Or has it been a year? Has it been a year since I posted? Because I'm locked out of my, if y'all don't know, I'm here to tell y'all now. Always eating good, SK Red Beam. SK Red Beam is my main YouTube channel. SK Red Beam. Infrared. But yeah, that's my main channel. And I don't know. I think I haven't posted in about a year on that, as far as mukbangs. Okay, Zoe, work with me, okay? You're a little jingly down there. But yeah, I want to say it's been a year. Yeah, I want to say it's almost been a year. Okay, it might have had almost been a year. I think like this might be the 11th month, honestly. But yeah, always eating good, SK Red Bean, man. Back at it, man. With some motherfucking Speed Cafe. The fuck? Speedy. I'm sorry, I didn't see the Y. But, excuse my language. But look, have y'all ever had a fully loaded corn dog? Oh, please don't fall. It already done rocked around there all day long. Singing it song. But yeah, a fully loaded. Let me go ahead and try to put this back together just as much as I can, cause a fully loaded I'm sorry. But yeah, it might not look appealing right now. Oh, but my goodness. But look, a fully loaded. Hold on. Y'all gotta, hold on, wait. I'm gonna try to get y'all a better little view, but a fully loaded corn dog. I'm talking about with jalapenos, relish, ketchup, mustard, cheese, and chili. You gotta scoop all that up. Look. I don't know if y'all like it, but I'm telling y'all, try it. Chili cheese, relish, ketchup, mustard. Yeah, ketchup, mustard, and jalapenos. That's it. It's always on it. It's always on it. But I'm telling y'all, look, you gotta get up on all that. That's what the stick for. So you get that, and then a little bit of hot dog left is to get that little bit of relish left. And then, what's the point of eating a corn dog if you don't get that part? That's the gristle. It's the gristle of the corn dog right here. But yeah. All right. Whew. That was the first one. I had 3 of them. I dropped one. I got all the way up to the motherfucking counter. I'm talking about, excuse my language. Got all the way up to the counter. Had all of them stacked up. All 3 of them stacked up like this. Got all the way to the counter. Set my stuff down. Next thing you know, oh my God. Okay. I'm telling y'all, it might not look appealing, but this is where, get that. Oh, all of it came off. I'm so sick. Yeah. Excuse me. Excusez-moi. I'm telling you, it might not look appealing. It might not. With the ketchup, mustard, chili cheese, relish, and jalapenos, but look, I'm telling you. I'm telling y'all, fully loaded corn dog. Look at that bite right there. Look at that. I'm trying to get all of that on one bite. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm fat. I'm fat. I'm fat. Mm-hmm. Damn. See, that's what that stick for. That's the stick on the corn dog for. For you get them jalapenos. Still locked out my main channel, but I'm back. I'm back. I don't like how that just came out. I gotta take this off by the finger. But yeah. Fully loaded corn dogs. And now, I guess I can give y'all what y'all wanna hear. So in the past almost year, I went through a meaningless breakup. Was beat up, jumped on by a whole grown man. I actually, not too long ago, fought a girl I was dating. Weird as fuck, right? Okay. Excuse me, moi. Lost my place. I left. Like 3 places. Well, you know, in the process of trying to get back on my feet or whatever. Not on my feet, but in my own place or whatever. Yeah, I left 3 places, you know. Child. Like a lot has been going on. Yeah. So we just sum it up as that in this past almost a year. It hasn't even been a year yet. No, it's been a year. Come here. Has it been a year, Pooh? Has it been a year, Pooh? Stink of butt? Has it been a year? Huh? What else we do, Stank? Cause she was with me this whole time. Yeah. Yeah. She was with me every time. We was on the road, okay? Excuse me, moi. But, has it been a year, Pooh? and nobody checked up on us and sent us nothing, or sent at least her. But I actually had some random guy, I guess because we from HP, I guess he think he could talk to me like that, tell me he was gonna do me in the butt. Look, hey, don't ask me, bruh. Don't ask me, ma'am. But that's what the man told me. He told, that's what I'm saying. Recently I figured out I just can't. Okay, well, just now, I recently found out I don't have to clean up nothing. Stop. Yeah. But yeah, so, you know, went through a breakup, an eviction, been moving around a lot lately, haven't been settled. But as you can tell, I'm at least feeling comfortable because I gave you at least this. Ta-da! And many more. Head ass. But yeah, okay. My skin has yet to find moisture and all of this. Like I said, I'm not only a little tipsy, probably from the hot tonic, but the hot tonic or the hot toddy, is it toddy? The hot toddy. Hot toddy, hot toddy. What was that Usher song? Hot toddy, hot toddy. Okay. But yeah, I'm in Michigan, so I'm obviously under the fucking weather. And I'm just getting back to y'all, man. Y'all see this shirt? Last time I had this shirt on, nigga, I was this big. Now this motherfucker can fit me and a couple other YouTubers. Steph Okay. Alright, but yeah, so like I said, that was a fully loaded corn dog with relish, sweet relish, jalapenos, ketchup, mustard, chili, and cheese. And this here is a Club Chill, and it's a medium, 32 ounces of Mountain Dew Cyclone. Yeah, but like literally that's just the beginning, but I want to give y'all a little something to be like, oh shit, I gotta wait till she upload again, because I'm telling you, like I said, within less than a year, was evicted, went through a bad breakup, jumped on by a man, sexually assaulted, oh no, not sexually, but verbally sexually assaulted by a man. My other man's, he still never paid back my money. And my homegirl won her dog back, but never gave me nothing on the dog the whole time. I've been taking care of it next time. Or always eating good as K-Red B. As always, man, stay blessed. Take care. And be easy. But if it's too easy, you better not do it.